Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic. Today's topic is naming standards for classes. How to naming standards for classes. See, the first letter should be capitalized, and if several words are linked together to form the name, the first letter of the inner word should be uppercase. The name should typically be a noun. See, how to declare class name, that means naming standards. Java provides some of the naming standards. We should follow uh, that naming standards. What is the naming standards means? See, first letter should be capitalized. First letter should be capitalized. That first letter declare capital only. And if several words linked together to form the name, suppose we are linking multiple words in single name, the first letter should inner word should be uppercase. That means the first letter, you can combine 3 or 4 words also, the first letter should be capital letter only. Should not declare smaller letters for class name declaration. Class name declaration should not declare small letters. You should declare only capital letters. That is a first letter only. You can combine 2 or 3 words also. First letter is a capital letter. That is the naming standards for classes in Java technology. For example, we can take some example. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Dog is a capital letter. Account, A is a capital letter. Print writer, print is a one word, writer is a one word. We are merged print writer, that is a single word. That means print, P is a capital, writer, W is a capital. Employee address, employee is a one word, address is another word. We are merging single word, linking together form the name. Here form the name, linking together. That means multiple words we are linking. That's why here we are using employee address. Employee address, E is a capital, A is a capital. We are merging two words. Student, student, S is a capital. Like that, we should follow the naming standards for the class. We can discuss another naming standard for interfaces. How to declare interfaces based on naming standards? Java will provide the standards. The first letter should be capitalized, and if several words are linked together to form the name, the first letter of the inner word should be capital letter. The name should typically be adjustable. That means we should follow adjective words. See here, for example, you can take some examples. Runnable, R is a capital. Serializable, S is a capital. Readable, R is a capital. Readable, ABLE. You can observe every place final word displaying ABLE. Readable, that means adjectives. We need to follow adjectives. Writable, walkable, danceable, smokable, eatable. That means we need to write able adjectives. We need to declare the adjectives for interfaces. This is the interface naming standards. Naming standards for methods. The first letter should be lowercase, and then normal camel case rule should be used. The name should typically be verb noun pair. See, in methods, how to declare methods means first letter should be lowercase. That is also need how to display camel case format. Camel case format means how camel case. That means camel how structure, camel structure, how is designed. God is God, how is designed camel. Like that we need to declare that type of way in methods. Get balance, set address, do calculation, set name, check balance, do eat. Do D is a small letter, eat means capital letter. Do eat, like that. That means first letter should be a small letters, second letter onwards we should follow first letter is a capital letter of second word. We should follow this. Is also we should follow verb and noun pair. Verb and noun pair we should follow. This is a naming standards for methods. Next, naming standards for variables. This is also similar to methods only. How method naming standards is that similarly variables also should follow same rules. The first letter should be lowercase and the normal camel case rules should be used. The name should typically be verb or noun pair. Here, for some of the example, we can observe some of the example. Butter with account balance, do calculation previously also we discussed. Set name, check balance. See, first letter is a smaller word, that means small letters. Second word, starting word is a capital letter. We should follow this type of naming standards. Final one is naming standards for constants. How to declare the constants in Java technology. Java constants are created by making variables static and final. They should be named using uppercase letters with underscore characters as separate. See, normally Java constants means should make variables static and final. We should follow that. Static and final is that is a constant variable. We should follow the two rules. That means this variable is a constant. In that variable we are following static and final. Final we should follow, static also. I will explain in future classes what is a static, what is a final. I will explain. They should be used uppercase letters with underscore characters. We should follow uppercase letters and with underscore. This is a constant. We need to declare the constant variable in Java technology. We should follow capital letters with underscore. This is a standard rule of the Java technology. Following minimum min underscore height, max underscore height, no values, basic underscore pay, account underscore balance. We should follow this type of naming standards in Java technology. Suppose we need to create any class, we need to create any method, we need to create any variable, we need to create any constant. We should follow the rules. Java is decided some rules we need to follow. See, I will tell some examples. We are living in India, we are following some rules. We need to go right side only, we need to drive right side only, we need to walk right side in the road. We should eat morning 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, in between 8 to 10 we should eat. And in between 12 to 2 we should eat the lunch. Lunch timing is 12 to 2. Breakfast time is 9 to 10. Dinner time is 8 o'clock, in between 8 to 10. Some people are eating 10 o'clock, some people eating 9 o'clock, some people eating 8 o'clock in dinner. See, we are following some rules. Ladies should follow this dress code, gents should follow this dress code. Till 18 or 20 years we should go to school or colleges. We need to learn something. We need to learn something and we need to join some job, any type of job. This is, we are following some rules. We need to give respect to elders. We need to give respect to children. This is, we are following some rules in society, in public places. We need to park in right direction only. We need to throw dust in dustbins only. This is, we are following these rules. Like here also we are following some rules in Java. So we should follow some rules, and we need to implement the application, and we need to deploy the code. This is the naming standards of Java technology. If you are new here, sorry, if you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me below comment box? Uh, could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click bell icon to get a new videos. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology. We can meet next video.